Hey everyone, it's Alan over at Cobblers Plus, and this is introductory to our new segment, Cash or Trash. I want to introduce everybody and also give a disclaimer. Cash or Trash is going to be a new segment where we may trash a certain brand of shoe, boot, bag, or product as well. So viewer discretion is definitely advised, especially if you work for the company, if you own any of these items or products. Definitely don't be getting upset about it, because we're giving an honest rating from our standpoint after being in the industry for many years, seeing all these brands and different products coming through our shop or using them ourselves. And we're going to give an honest rating on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being good, 1 being bad, or 10 being easy, 1 being hard, in other words. As well as a price rating that will go low, medium, high, and luxury. And at the end of it, we're going to give our personal opinion of whether it's a cash or trash, meaning it's worth it, in our opinion, to spend the money on it, or it's trash, don't waste your money on it, we do not recommend it. All these different things are going to be covered as far as material quality, build quality, comfort, support, collectability, show-off ability, which is a weird one, maintenance, recraftability, and obviously the price and cash or trash rating as well. And we're going to be using these little cards to rate them all. We'll also leave all the ratings in the descriptions below. We'll also leave a link in the description for at least the brands that we recommend. I don't want to leave a description or a link in the description for brands that we're going to trash, just because obviously we trashed them and I don't recommend buying them. So I'm not even going to put in my effort to giving you the link. If you really want them, if you're going to go out of the way and buy those brands either way, even if we advise you not to, that's at your own risk, your own due diligence. You did the time to listen to what we had to say. Most of these video clips are going to be under 5 minutes. Some of them may be just a little over 5, but we'll try to keep them short, and hopefully you enjoy them. So make sure you hit that notification bell icon to be notified when these videos are out, because they're going to be posted randomly. We're not going to even have a scheduled day or time on it. As soon as this product comes in, or a pair of boots or shoes or whatever it may be, when it comes in, if we have the opportunity, we're going to record a video giving you the ratings and then post it as soon as we can. So it could be completely random. So make sure that little bell icon is hit, subscribe, and we'll see you. Otherwise, if you don't want to watch any of these because you may get a little upset about some of the trashing that we may do on certain brands, then check out some of our other videos. There's a lot of them about recrafting and things that we cover as well as far as products go too. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next episode.